Rebel. About to go southbound.
Careful.
White car with its hazard lights on. Looks like it's driving back.
Three down the direct.
Careful.
Go down there, don't go down
John
there.
Roger, state 1063 for state call, 1063 for state call, on all traffic.
Alright, we're still southbound coming through the park. Like a black male driver, no tags. Speed 75. Medium traffic.
Careful, we're just using what the vehicle's going.
It's like a white Malibu. Coming up on Salt Field.
Three.
Turning on Fox Meadow. Turning right on Fox Meadow. Careful.
Careful.
Making a right on Southbrook.
Careful.
Try to fit it here.
3.2 with your traffic light.
There's no traffic here.
People, get it in as soon as you can.
Alright, we just hit him right here. Stop! You get chased! Stop! He was in this backyard somewhere. Oh, bro.
Which way do you run on this side?
Yeah, well, he threw it back on that backyard behind the fence. Right, spray your legs. Spray your legs. I'm going to probably this way.
Phoenix 11.
It's in there. Have sit in there.
I tossed two phones there right
Have
there.
sit in there.
I can't get my back very well.
Have sit in there.
Probably.
What's your name?
Probably be on wheel.
What he said?
It looked like a bag, black bag.
In this yard right here?
The second house.
House over there.
Yeah, the backyard. Travis is in it, across it. He said that's the Williams. First name?
Probably
How you spell your name? Slow.
C-A-R-L-A
C-A-R-L-A
V-I-O-N
V-I-O-N. What's your date of birth?
033104
Oh, 3 what?
3104
How old are you? How old are you?
19.
19? What's your leg? I want to.
See if he's got anything.
Good, Victor? Yeah,
Good job, dude. Good job. Yeah, we'll search the car, but one of these, we need to search these yards. If
Yeah.
you see, I didn't see.
I saw it when he threw it. It was black. Yeah.
Okay.
He went like that.
Do you know which house it was? Just tell him
I think it was. I think it was second.
We can check both of them.
Yeah.
I think it's just this house and that one.
Yeah. Go ahead.
See if we can check the backyard for it.
So open shut.
We did earlier.
Oh, you got to race it up.
I got it.
I don't know. Because you can't do your job.
Jonesboro C22, tag is 1019 for your unit. Jonesboro C17, you ready to copy information off of this bin?
Yeah, I got it.